I like to wake up early, and the first step to wake up early is to delete the snooze button in your life. I just love mornings, so I just looked outside the window, and then the first thing I like to do in morning is brush my teeth. Then I quickly make up my bed and arrange my study table, and I don't prefer to eat breakfast just after I wake up. So I just get straight to make cinnamon green tea so that I wouldn't fall asleep again. Yeah, so genital herpes simplex virus infection is common. So it's 9 p.m. and my hi guys. Hi guys. Okay, lol. And my it's 9 a.m. It's 9 a.m. Okay, my link. Okay, I'm a camera shy person. Hi guys. So it's 9.
A few moments later.
No, actually it's 9:15. So my pathology lecture was supposed to start at 9, which haven't started already. Okay, I received a message that she is going to start soon. And today we are going to study female genital tract. So I see you then. Bye.
The tubes are adhesions are there, presence is like a previously the dilated to both the tubes are dilated, yellowish necrotic material within the tube. Here the area of congestion can be seen. The biocerfix and not fixation and cutting, whatever the tube. Here you can focus on the problem. After the section, you can see the
It's 10:30. Now I have clinical posting online. So see you after that. So my next class is at 1:30, that is pharmacology. और आज tutorial है. Basically tutorial is kind of an interactive session in which the teacher asks question and you have to tell. So I should better study. Hey people, it's already 12:01. Actually, I'm going to cook in just half an hour and we'll get back to study. So let's cook with Smriti. Also, I have my new diet plan from today.
You were fine all this time, I was inside out. Put my heart in
Also
your hands,
guys,
'cause it
I
came
have
back round.
scopophobia. I'm actually very scared of doing this,
Didn't think that you'd fall
and I don't know how I gathered so much courage to actually do this. So if you guys like my efforts, please consider subscribing to my channel and also to share it with your friends. And also give a thumbs up also. It just helps YouTube algorithm. So please. Hey guys, so yeah, we are back from gymming. We did workout today, hardcore workout I must tell you. Haha. So gym in Mumbai closes at 4 p.m. and I have classes till 5. So How am I supposed to go to gym? Just tell me. Scorching summer. I wore this black outfit to go to gym and I couldn't go to gym. Yay! So what are we going to have in my dinner? Absolutely nothing. Yay again, because मुझे बाजार से जाके लाना था पनीर and all shop closes by 4 p.m. and it's about to 4 p.m. So we absolutely have no option left. We have no option left. Yes. Diet plan, gymming, study. Okay. So we are going to try tomorrow. From tomorrow onwards, I'm going to go to gym early in the morning. So bye bye. I was to go to gym. फिर मैंने सोचा let's call. It's actually not raining today, and so I thought let's call one of my friend. I called him and he was like, gym is about to close. After having a failed attempt to go to gym, I just remembered how I treated myself yesterday with cheese and brownie. Now I'm going downstairs to get some fruits or maybe some chocolates. You never know. Being on camera all day, like, I have no idea how to do this, but let me tell you one thing. Doing this is literally getting me productive, more productive than usual, because I am like, I have to do this because I have to shoot this. But you know, I would suggest you to try this because then you will feel
like you are accountable to someone, so you have to do that. Oh god, I should go real quick, huh? Because market is about to close at 4.
and it's already 4. Actually it's 4:30, but let's see what we can find.
The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth.
Hi guys, welcome to the transformation video. So you can see from me, from eating nothing to eating this, and lots of pineapple. My diet goes from supermodel to a bottomless pit a real quick. Because I couldn't go to gym today, so I had to compensate for that now. That's why I bought so many things to eat so that I wouldn't be guilty of not doing workout today. Yay! Now it's 5:15. OMG, we have to study. I am going to finish this real quick. Hi. So I know I was supposed to make last session of me studying, but then it happened to me after a long time. What? So at 7 I got up to make dinner, and then dinner I thought let's watch something, you know, to make me feel good, because the thing is that I never watch something. Matlab, in my whole life I've just watched one series and I just wouldn't watch. Now why I don't watch any series? First of all, it gives me anxiety that my entire time would get wasted and I can utilize it for something else. something more productive. And then I just scrolled through Netflix and I found this Never Have I Ever series. And I happened to like it. And so I binge watched it. I was supposed to sleep at 10 because I wanted to wake up at 4 a.m. tomorrow. But we wasted all the time. Okay, I'm getting very boring, but I don't know, I just love this series. It was so relatable and real. I just love this. So I really don't regret wasting my time because it kind of... So on a better note, I'm going to stuck on my resolution of not watching any series for the entire life. Because एक बार start किया तो ख़त्म ही करके रहती हूँ मैं. So never mind. We are going to compensate for today and we are going to wake up at 5 tomorrow again. And this was for the first time I'm doing such things. So thank you for staying with me if you are still here watching me. I'm going to see you tomorrow. No, I'm not going to see you tomorrow, okay? You know, this thing is so weird to me. You know, even looking damn straight into the camera is so difficult and weird to me because this whole thing is so not normal for me. Subscribe करने तो बोलना भूल ही गई. Subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and जिससे भी share करना उससे share करना. And yeah, bye bye, good night. Yoga. 9 p.m. and my... Hi guys, so it's 9 p.m. and my other lecture was patho ka lecture. It's basically patho lecture of patho at 9 p.m. It's 9 a.m. It's 9 a.m. Okay. Pathology. My pathology lecture was... It's difficult for me to be on camera. I don't like to be on camera really.